Have you ever unfriended someone on Snapchat or accidentally deleted a friend and now you want to reconnect with them? Don't worry, in today's video I'll show you step by step how to find those deleted friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Find the My Data option and tap on it. Once you are in My Data, you might see some data already listed. Scroll down until you see the option to select which data to include. Make sure the option to export HTML files is turned on. Now only select user info and chat history and uncheck all the other options. Next, check the date range. Make sure it covers the time when you were friends with the person you want to find or when you unfriended them. Adjust the dates as needed. Once everything looks good, tap on Submit. Snapchat will begin gathering your data. This may take some time, typically about an hour. You will receive an email once your data is ready for download. The email will look something like this. Go back to My Data in the Snapchat settings. Find the export you just requested and tap on Download. Confirm the download and open your Files app on your phone. Go to Downloads or Recents and you will see the files labeled My Data. The file will be a zip file, so tap on it to unzip it. Inside the folder, look for the HTML file. Open it and you will find a list of all your friends, including those you have deleted. This list will show their usernames, display names, and even when you were friends with them and when you unfriended them. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.